God is saying to you today,
Dear God, I know that the first step in all spiritual healing is to believe. Believe. I open my mind and heart believing in your infinite power and possibility. Believe that healing is a dynamic and reachable experience, a reality that can be experienced right now. Maintain a patient and loving attitude, for I believe that your healing activity is now at work in my mind and body. I look forward, with joyful expectation, to the perfect wholeness that you are now bringing into manifestation through me. Believe in your constant expression of perfect good in and through me. Rest in the certainty of your healing power. Know that with you all things are possible. In Jesus Christ's name, Amen.